YouTube channel, The Golden Platter. Before moving towards today's recipe, I would like to thank all of you for showering so much love and blessings on my channel. We have crossed the 500 subscriber mark on YouTube. Please keep liking and sharing my recipe videos. So moving on to today's recipe, in summertime, what is that one thing we all crave for? You guessed it right, that's ice cream. So I'll be sharing an ice cream recipe with you that is very simple to make and it requires only 2 ingredients without an ice cream machine. So let's get started. So today I'll be sharing 2 amazing ice cream flavors with you, that is the basic vanilla ice cream and cookies and cream ice cream. But before that, we'll be preparing a base for the ice cream, and using this base you can create any flavor of your choice. The ingredients required for this recipe are 2 cups or 450 ml of heavy whipping cream and 1 can of condensed milk, and please keep in mind that both of these ingredients should be absolutely chilled. So moving on to the recipe, first we'll beat the cream till soft peaks. So this is our soft peak stage, and at this point of time I'll be adding the condensed milk into the cream. So I've added condensed milk and I'm using a hand mixer for this. Feel free to use a stand mixer for this. So we have to beat it till the condensed milk is well combined with the cream. So now stiff peaks have formed and our cream and condensed milk have combined well. So our base is ready, and now we're going to play with flavors. So I'll be dividing the base into 2 parts. One for vanilla ice cream and the other one for cookies and cream. So we'll start with the vanilla ice cream. I've taken 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You can take vanilla essence as well. I'd like to add vanilla extract to all of my base and all of my ice creams. That's particularly your choice. And 1 vanilla bean pod that will split open. And we'll scrape the vanilla . Scrape the whole vanilla pod very nicely. So we'll just mix all these ingredients. The vanilla beans give a very tasty and good flavor to your ice cream. Look at the tiny dots of vanilla beans. And done. Our vanilla ice cream is ready, and it has to be frozen in an airtight container for a minimum of 8 hours or overnight. Now moving on to the second ice cream flavor, that is cookies and cream ice cream. Take half of the base that we reserved. In it, add vanilla extract. And the star of the show is your Oreo cookies, or you can use any sandwich cookies that you like. So I'll put them in a mortar and a pestle and I'll just crush them. I'm using around 12 to 15 Oreo cookies, but you may use as much as you want. We'll just put it in this, and don't grind it into a fine powder. Let some chunks of cookies come into your mouth. It will give a great flavor. And for crushing the cookies, you can use a bag and a rolling pin as well. That's particularly your choice. So I have added all the Oreo cookies in the base, and I've reserved few for the garnishing. Just mix it nicely. And your super delicious cookies and cream ice cream is ready to be frozen for at least 8 hours before you can gorge on it. So I made this ice cream a day before to show you guys. I just took it out of the freezer and put it in the ice cream bowls. It is very superb and absolutely tasty. You surely have to try this. And please try this recipe and put it in the comment section how you like it. And if you want me to try any of the flavors for you, do let me know. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.